This is my first video for this channel, and I want to welcome everyone who's watching this video. My name is Mahdi, and this is the channel where we explore how machines fly, move, and work. So let's start with the big question that I want to ask you guys. Airplanes are massive. Some of them are weighed even as much as 500 tons, which is about like 100 elephants. So how do they fly across oceans without even going down, right? Today I'm going to explain the secrets behind flight step by step. With simple examples you can see for yourself. By the end you'll understand exactly how planes defy gravity and soar through the skies. So first of all, this is the big idea. So to understand flight we need to know about four forces. Every airplane in the sky depends on these forces. So the first force is thrust, which is pushing forward, weight, which is pulling down, gravity pulling it down, and then a drag, which is air pushing back, and then we got lift, which is the upward force. When these forces are balanced correctly, a plane can finally take off, cruise, and land safely. Let's break each one down. So, for lift, the wings of a plane are shaped in a special way called an airfoil. The top of the wing is curved and the bottom is flat. When air flows over the wing, as you can see, it moves faster. But when the air flows at the bottom of the wing, it's slower underneath. And then faster air means lower pressure, slower air means higher pressure. The difference pushes the wing upward, creating lift. Here's a quick demo. Take a strip of paper and blow across the top. See how it rises? That's lift in action. Uh, so airplanes need huge amounts of lift. Because of that, the wings are carefully designed and tested in wind tunnels to create enough upward forces to beat gravity. And then we got weight. Weight is just the force of gravity pulling the airplane down. No matter how fast or high plane flies, gravity is always pulling it down in the air. So for a plane to climb, lift must be way greater than weight. For a plane to descend, weight becomes stronger than lift. This is why airplanes have limits. If a plane is too heavy, then wings can't generate enough lift to get it off the ground. And now let's talk about the thrust. So for the thrust comes from the engine. On a jet, air is sucked in, compressed, mixed with fuel, ignited, and blasted out the back at high speed. This pushes the plane forward like a giant version of balloon releasing air. On popular planes, the spinning blades act like rotating wings, pulling the airplane forward. Thrust must always be stronger than drag for a plane to accelerate and take off. So, the drag is the basically the resistance caused by the air pushing the plane backward. Imagine putting your hand outside a moving car window. You feel air pushing against it, which is drag. Planes are designed to be as smooth and streamlined as possible so they can cut even through the air with less drag. Engineers even test different shapes in wind tunnels to see which ones fly more efficiently. And now let's combine all forces. When the engines create enough thrust, the plane speeds down the runway. The wings create more and more lift as air flows faster over them. Once lift becomes stronger than weight, planes take off. In the air, thrust keep the plane moving forward while drag slows it down. Pilots control the balance of these forces to climb, cruise, and descend. And then, yup. So that's it for today's video. This is how airplanes fly because of the balance of lift, weight, thrust, and drag. This is just the start of our journey. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how jet engine really works. And then thanks for watching Maddie's Flight Club, where science takes off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join for more reviews and adventures. See you until next video.